So I'm doing the goat here, which is going to be replacing my amber lenses. Already tried it. I want to do this little unpacking because the pack is pretty cool. And I've got an aesthetic bed cover, so boom, look at that. Cool stuff. And boom. So I think this is going to be my new circadian nighttime alignment glasses, which simply are red glasses. And I took some transparent frames. And the only caveat is that it's obviously not curved here, so I noticed that the difference is that obviously there's a tiny bit of space that allows for light to come in on the sides, but it's not bad. I think this was about £12. It was on a slight discount when I bought these, and this one it was £23. Obviously the packaging is pretty cool, nice. Oh, I think it has, what's this? Is this something to clean up? Cool. I'm going to use it for my other glasses. As you see, there's different levels. I took the strongest level, which is on their Amazon link, which you can get below. It says the evidence that they confirmed that it has the circadian level measures, and so it's evidence-backed. Cool. There you go. So that's what I'm doing from now on instead of these. So you see, this is going to be even more intense, given that we need to reach very low levels of light about 1 hour before bedtime. And one way to do that in a society where electrical lighting is everywhere is to get some blue and green light blockers that are shades darker, so it kind of reduces also the lighting. And so this seems to be the solution so far at an affordable price and has evidence to support its construction and design. This does the job as well. It's just, well, it's getting a bit used, as you see, but it's not as dark as this one, so that's why I wanted to try these out. And it got style, so now I can probably even socialize and wear these. And so my melatonin secretion is in time. I was a bit more self-conscious on using these, but actually I tried it the other day in a social event, and people were saying that they were impressed by it. I mean, they thought it would look cool. So, and actually I've tried it a few times, social situations, and people really like it actually. But I don't know, I just kept feeling a bit of self-doubt. So these are the new ones.